Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a review on the Ciate London Jessica Rabbit collection. I did pick up all three pieces because I love Jessica Rabbit, but I've been using it now for a little bit, so I definitely have some thoughts and I would like to share them with you guys. Things first, I'm going to go into the lipstick. By the way, I have all this stuff on at the moment, and the packaging first off, stunning. Absolutely love it. Right now I just have that on, which is a ColourPop, I forgot the color, but it's like a red lip liner. Absolutely love it though. Super creamy. It doesn't feel gritty at all. And it does have the glitters and all that. There's no grittiness to it. It's really smooth. It smells great. It smells like vanilla-y, like almost even a better version of a MAC lipstick. It smells so good. I have nothing bad to say about this. You don't even have to be a fan of Jessica Rabbit. If you just like kind of like a glittery lipstick, you like red, I think you'll enjoy this very much. Absolutely beautiful. Next was the highlighter. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. I absolutely love the packaging that they did for this because it honestly is stunning. This is in the shade Roger Darling, and what was this? This is just Jessica Rabbit, so that's what the lipstick is. But this is in the shade Roger Darling. It is so pretty. Sorry, I've been using it now for like over a week, so mine already looks pretty messed up. I know, it's so sad, but this is what I got on right now. I think it's really, really beautiful. It kind of reminds me of, yeah, it does remind me a little bit of the Anastasia one, with the Amrezi one. Just this one has a little bit more of a, like a slight more pinkish gold, where that one's more of a, like a yellow gold. I hope that makes sense. Absolutely beautiful. It is a little bit powdery, as you guys can tell. But then I also use my Morphe brush, which is kind of more of a, like a harsher, prickly brush. So do take that into account. But I have no complaints about this. I see it working for many skin tones. I just think it's absolutely stunning. So definitely recommend this as well. I think it's all around a great highlighter, and I think a lot of people will enjoy it. Alright, last but not least, I'm going to talk about the Jessica Rabbit palette. This is where I'm kind of disappointed. The packaging is so stunning. It is stunning. It is beautiful. I love it. You open it up, you do have a mirror. I will say I was a little bit disappointed that this here it's just like a plastic chintzy piece, only because it's like $40 for this palette. You guys can kind of see, I'm going to get this real close here. Mine is a wreck. The issue I have with this is that, like the shimmers are okay, definitely. You will need a flat brush. Definitely spray that brush if you want some actual color payoff. Like for me to get this purple, I had to really dig in there. It had to be wet to actually pay off. These three matte shades at the bottom barely show up at all, and I am extremely fair. Extremely fair. And even with me really digging in, even with a very stiff, very prickly, like Morphe brush, it's still like, you could see it on the brush because they're white bristles, but nothing's really coming off. And I'm extremely pale, so I can't see this working for many skin tones, to be honest. For all around, for the price, I think it's beautiful. If you're a collector, definitely get it. But if you want it for the actual colors, the actual do looks, I would suggest something else, only because there's just not enough pigment there, to be honest. I don't find it worth it. I'm still happy that I got it because I really wanted the collection. I love it. I'm going to try my best to work with it. To get this look, I tried so hard to use these, but I used the two purples I really had to get in, but I ended up just taking a little bit from my Anastasia Riviera palette and then putting in a little bit of that chocolate brown shade and kind of blending that to make it look good. But, you know, the shimmers aren't that bad, but the mattes, I don't know, all around for the price tag, I probably would recommend skipping the palette. But other than that, I love the lipstick, love the highlighter. But like I said, if you're a collector and you love her, just get it if you really love it. But, yeah, that is my review on that. I don't often have bad reviews, but sometimes, you know, it happens with makeup. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It means the world to me. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.